Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign on your how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here on your settings. It's going to show for you like this. So then you come here to allow videos here to be played in high definition or video quality. Clicking this sign or this color, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean video quality disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it on your app. So that's all. I wish you know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.